mag-Filipino lang, kadali lang. Kadali lang. We answer the which old person because some people telling on me that the which old person making threatening on me. You think that I be scared? Oh, you threatening on me and you warning me? Or you be controlling me of what I'm doing in here in my channel? This is my channel, not yours, not anybody. So I am the one who manages my channel, and also it's none of your business if I'm keeping talking whatever I talk in here, as long I'm not against the part of the law. Okay? So, you heard that I'm talking about mistress, and then those people like a married guy that making slap their own face in the front of a wife that bringing on the mistress.